Hey guys, we're here at the Lange booth at Watches and Wonders, here with the legendary Tony de Haas. I'm very excited to check out this watch. Could you just give us a bit of an introduction about it?
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine. Would be great. So, the Odysseus Chronograph. I think after launching so many chronographs over the years, it started all with in '99 with the Datograph, Mr. Blumlein, and all the chronographs we did, and then launching in '19 the Odysseus. For us, it was already very obvious that an indication or complication in the product family would be a chronograph. Instead of giving steroids to a datograph and try to make it automatic and put it in the steel case and there you have sports watch, we didn't go that way. That would be too easy maybe. We like going the rough corners, so we went in for the automatic chronograph you see here. With its counters, it's already completely different. We respected very much the design of the Odysseus, so you have the outside weekday and the outside date left and right. You have a small second at the 6, and the counters are both coming from the center, so you have the red. Actually, the red hand is an aluminium hand in red, and that's the stop second. So, and I push the 2 o'clock button and then the baby starts running, and then suddenly you see there is another minute counter appears also from the center, which allows you to measure 60 minutes. You only see 2 pushers.
You have dual functions, right?
That's
crazy. That's so creative.
Because the watch is 120 meter waterproof, and we didn't want to drill extra holes for pushers and stuff like that. So what did we do? And on purpose I started the chronograph. I unscrewed the screwed crown. So at the moment the 2 o'clock pusher is stop. I unscrewed the crown because now I see, oh, the date is not well. Let's change the date. The chronograph is still running and I pull it in the first extra position. The chronograph continues to run. If I push now the pusher, I change the weekdays or the date. The chronograph continues to run.
Wow.
If I pull another one, then the whole movement stops. It has a hack second and you can set the time. Another feature is a dynamic reset. It's a bit hard to see now because we only measured 2 minutes. We didn't want to go with the harsh method of having a stop lever which stops at the same time, like in the datograph, the minute counter and the stop seconds. You have 2 heart-shaped cams which are resetted. Here we do the reset with one heart-shaped cam on the minute counter. What happens if, for example, you measure 20 minutes and we do the reset? We reset it by the cam on the minute counter. The result is that for every minute it goes back, in this case 20, the red hand turns back 20 times.
20 times in
20
wow.
times. It goes very fast.
Wow.
It goes very fast. The longer you measure, the smoother it looks. Now we just have 4 minutes, so it goes maybe very. It still goes smooth.
Yeah.
You recognize a little bit, but the longer it takes, the cooler it is.
Oh wow.
50 hours power reserve, 4 heads balance wheel, like in the regular Odysseus. It has the bracelet of the Odysseus. It is the standard Odysseus, with of course its fantastic clasp with the fine adjustment, which is really cool. The diameter is slightly bigger, 2 minutes bigger, so millimeters. So it's 42.5 and 14.2 thick.
Amazing. This has been an absolute pleasure. Amazing watch. I bet these are going to sell like hotcakes. Fascinating to see with the dual. Especially, personally for me, I love the dual function, like the thinking. When I first saw this watch, or the Odysseus watch, I was thinking these pushers would be amazing for chronograph. But with the big day and the dates, where would you even fit it? And so the solution of having the center minute and the second center chrono seconds just blew my mind. So I think you guys done an amazing job.
Thank you.
Yeah. So thanks Tony for introducing this watch to us, and check out our other episodes for other watches.
A big hi from me to all of you. Bye.